What's the meaning of Captain Scott? Captain Scott. Captain Scott.
Captain Scott. Captain Scott. Captain Scott refers to Robert Falcon Scott, a British Royal Navy officer and Antarctic explorer who led 2 expeditions to the South Pole. His first expedition in 1901 to 1904 was a scientific mission, while his second in 1910 to 1912 was a race to be the first to reach the South Pole. Unfortunately, Scott and his team died on the return journey due to harsh weather conditions and lack of supplies. Despite their tragic fate, their bravery and perseverance have inspired many people around the world.